Hello friends, myself Deshmukh Ajay. So today topic is constructor in Java. Object and classes in Java, object in Java, class in Java, instance variable in Java, method in Java. Uh, an object in Java is the physical as well as a logical entity, whereas a class in Java is a logical entity. Only what is an object in Java? An entity. Java constructors. Compressive guide Java versatile and widely used programming language. Employs various features of support object-oriented programming. That's called as OOPS and physical aspect of Java classes is the constructor, a special method responsible and for initializing objects. In the compressive guide, we will dive into instructions of Java constructor, exploring their definition, type, rules, and best practices. First one, constructor in Java is a special method that is in which the object is created. It's the primary purpose of the initialize an object and object state ensuring and consistent state. The constructor shares the same name as the class and lacks of return type, distinct in from regular methods. Types of constructor. Types of constructor. First one is default constructor. Java supports several types of constructor. Default constructor. A default constructor is provided by Java if no constructor is explicitly defined in a class, and initialize instance variable to their default values. Numeric types to zero, booleans to false, and references to null. Parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor accept parameters allowing to initializing of objects properties during object creation. First one is it provides flexibility and enabling different ways to initialize objects based on the provided arguments. And next one, copy constructor. Copy constructor creates a new objects by copying the state of the existing object. It is useful for creating a deep copy of an object, prevent unwanted side effects of modifying the copied effects. And next one is constructor overloading. Java supports constructor overloading, allowing a class have a multiple constructor with the different parameter lists. This enables the creation of objects with various initializations based on the provided arguments, rules and guidelines. Constructor name. The constructor name must match the class name and no return type. Uh, Constructor do not have a return type, not even void. Access modifier. Constructors can access modifiers, public, private, protected. First one is the public access modifier. Public access modifiers, then access the whole data of program. Private and protector. visibility con- Visibility chaining constructor chaining can call other constructors using this or super to reuse code initialize order. Uh, Instance variable that initialize before the constructor body is executed. Last one is constructor chaining. Constructor chaining allows one constructor to call another constructor in the same class or in the superclass. This helps avoid code duplication and ensures that common initialization logic to implement supercall. If a constructor does not acceptly call another constructor using super, Java automatically inserts a call to the default constructor of the superclass. This ensures that the superclass is properly initialized. Best practices: use constructor for initialization. Constructor should focus on initializing object state, avoiding complex logical operations. Immutable objects. Immutable objects. Immutable objects. Making objects immutable by initializing their state in the constructor and avoiding setter methods. Thank you.